everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Sorry, I'm still having issues with my voice. I did want to do a really quick video here today for my unboxing from BeeBeeCraft. I got some items to try out from them and I'm super excited about. I got a set of metallic color pins. I thought these would be cool to use like on when I do like the geotype painting, so I'm super excited about that. I don't have anything to write on. Oh, here, we'll use this paper. Just kind of see. They're supposed to be really shimmery. I'm really excited about that. There's lots of different colors to use, which I definitely needed a more variety of colors. That's really pretty. So I'm really excited about using these. There's 20 colors in this set of pins. I will put a link in the description for BeeBeeCraft as well, so you can check out their site. It's a really cool company. You get your items rather quickly when you do order them, and their prices are actually amazing. All right, and then I also have here some fun stuff to use for resin. Lots of cool molds to try out. I'm super excited about that. That was going to be really pretty. Got some all different sizes of these types. Those are really going to be adorable. So there's 6 different sizes. So I'm super excited to put some resin in these and see how they turn out. It also came with a little mixing cup. It does have measurements here on the side. Also came with some pipettes and some little finger thingies. I don't know what you call them, but and then it also come with some mica powder, or some mica, sorry, not mica, gold leaf, silver, looks like a titanium kind of. It's got some different colors in there, and then the copper one, it also has some colors going in there too as well. So these are going to be really fun to use in these resin. So I will put a link in the description for BeeBeeCraft. Like I said, they have amazing pricing. I've never waited more than 2 weeks for an order, and that was probably only because of Christmas that it did take a little bit longer for this one. But for the most part, I've gotten them right away. These are so cute. I cannot wait to use these. These are going to be really fun. Put some little pretty things inside there. Yeah, those are going to be fun to do. But yeah, so this is just a real quick unboxing or unwrapping, if you want to call it, from BeeBeeCraft. Super excited to use these. So I will have a video coming up in the next few days, and I'm going to use some of these and see what we can get made out of them. I'm waiting for some things to come to put inside here. I want to have some flowers and all that, so I think it's going to be really fun. But yeah, so look for the videos coming up here in the next week or so of these. These I might use sooner. I have to see if I have something I can work with them on. But yeah, but I do thank you guys for watching. Sorry again about my voice. But I will have a link in the description for BeeBeeCraft. I can't say it enough. I'm really pleased with this company. I'm super excited to be affiliated with them. If you use the link in my description, I do get, it helps my channel out tremendously. And yeah, great company to buy from. Lots of fun crafting things. They have anything you can imagine, from resin to acrylic painting tools, and and jewelry making and all that kind of beads and bracelet making and everything you can imagine they have. So check them out. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description, and I will, I don't know what to say. I'll keep losing my voice. Sorry. But I will have a video coming soon with, gonna make something out with these. So I'm really super excited. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous day or a good evening wherever you are. And I appreciate you guys so much. And keep being creative. Bye.